Hi, Justin Pearson Photography, North Carolina. How to use fluorescent daylight bulbs for photo shooting. Fluorescent daylight bulbs have a color temperature that is similar to what you would normally see outside light. It's not the green, kind of old school, in the background, nasty colored bulbs you used to see. These fluorescent daylight bulbs will actually be a good balance to what window light may be spilling into your room. So these bulbs can be used to light your subject or to be a secondary light. Have an acceptable image, and when you are bringing them into Photoshop, just fine-tune it when it comes to the color balance. And that is how you photograph using fluorescent daylight bulbs.